What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tamara Recipes. Now I'm back with another video. Alright, so we're gonna make some Jamaican fried chicken, the Jamaican style, the yard style fried chicken. Yeah, so I have a whole chicken. I'm gonna cut up into some pieces of my choice. Alright, now I added 2 teaspoons of blended green seasoning. So now I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper. Now you can add paprika, but I like to add the cayenne pepper to my fried chicken. You want it to have a little spice, and the cayenne pepper give it that nice pretty color. Alright, now I added a pinch of salt. Now I'm gonna add some all-purpose seasoning. Now these are the seasonings that I'll be using, but if I choose to add more, then go ahead. Alright, so a link will be provided in the description box where you can see how I made the green seasoning for the persons who don't know how to. Alright, I added some black pepper. Even though I add the cayenne pepper, I love to add a little black pepper as well. Yeah, but that's optional. Alright, so add it if you want to. If you don't want to add it, then So I'm gonna give it a nice mix. I'm not gonna let it marinate overnight, maybe about 2 hours. But you can do it less or more time. Alright, overnight is ideal, but if you don't have that time there, just use your chicken and fry chicken. Alright, now after the chicken marinated, added some baking powder, I add a pinch of salt, I add some all-purpose seasoning, more of the cayenne pepper. I never add no more black pepper though. And I have my flour. Alright, so this is my dry mixture. So I'm gonna mix everybody together, and then I'm gonna coat my chicken. But bear in mind that while you're coating your chicken, you want to squeeze to ensure that all of flour, stick to your chicken and give it a little flake. Alright, now I'm not an egg person, so I'm not two giant egg. Alright, but if you want to add some egg, then I can have your beat 2 eggs, and then you do your thing. Alright, another time I'll show you to do that, guys, but for now we just do it that way. Alright, so I'm gonna fry the leg and the thighs first. As you know, they take the longest to cook. Alright, so my leg and my thigh, 2 legs. Alright, so we're gonna coat them in our flour mixture. You want to squeeze the flour, as I said before, on your chicken so that they can be nice and flaky. But not really fully flaky, because we never add no milk to it, or no water to it, or no egg, But yeah, I'm gonna leave also a video where I made fried chicken without the milk and the egg, and it was flaky and nice. Alright, so just check the description box for all of those videos. Alright, so we're going to coat up with chicken nicely. Then we're going to put it on a plate to rest. Or you can put it on a wire rack or anything of your choice. Alright, but don't put the chicken in the pot as you bread the chicken. Alright, because all that flour gonna just, fry off in the chicken, in the oil. Sorry. So the chicken rested. So what I'm going to do now is to eat the oil. Alright, so I'm using the pot of choice. Now you can use any type of pot you like, but make sure you have enough oil to fry your chicken. However, I'm not a deep fried person, but I add enough oil just to fry the chicken. Alright, but if you want to add more oil, then go ahead, guys, and use the oil to your preference. But ensure that the oil is relatively hot, whereas when you add the chicken, you start frying. Alright, so for a person who have a thermometer, then you must make sure your oil have a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, but I not have none. I'm old school, I'm Jamaican, so I know if or you can just put like a wooden spoon in the oil, or you can add some flour, and when I see the flour start frying, then you can add the chicken. Alright, so fry chicken not on a very high flame, like a medium high flame, and you monitor it. Alright, so the legs and thighs took about 16 minutes, because I did 8 minutes on both sides. Alright, I'm gonna take them from the pot, then I'm gonna put it to rest. Alright, or to drain the excess oil. Alright, guys, so if you have flour particles like me, you want to use a spoon to remove the excess, and then you're gonna allow your oil to come up back to temperature before you add more chicken to fry. Alright, because if you add the chicken, and when you add it in there, the oil cool, and then you can't fry. Alright, then you suck too much oil, and then your chicken not gonna taste good. Alright, guys, now I forgot to mention that if you want to fry your chicken with the skin on, you can. I'm not too like the skin, so I'm always fry it without. Alright, so the baking powder will make a chicken have that little nice texture there, you know, in a dry out and trash, you know. Because most people use the skin on so it can trap the moisture. Alright? So if you're a person like me who don't like the skin, just use a baking powder. Alright, guys? Yeah, so I'll make a chicken fry and then I'll come back. Alright? So chicken fully fried, I'm gonna remove them from the pot. And then I'll come back and show you the end product. So this is the end product. Well, not full end product, but some of the chicken that I fried. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. And yes, guys, I hope you enjoyed the holiday so far. Yeah. Alright, so take care and go and big up on yourself straight.